you're still gonna drive around here, though?
Not on this side.
No?
Well, unless you need, we might need to go down with the machine again. We'll do it at the end then.
Yeah.
On the place for the sweet potato.
But do you want to sit this way? You can see Mama?
We're going to make a sweet potato hill right here. You know what? Let's do it over here. Because we might have to come here with a tractor to redo this before we plant.
Okay.
And we do it here and it's out of the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mosquito, sarap.
Hi, buddy. Hi, bud. Hi, buddy. Give Papa kisses. Give me kisses. Papa kiss, Papa kiss, Papa kiss. Papa, Papa, where's my Papa? That's more like a bite.